Here are some tips to get the most from your Toyota hybrid. In this video, you will learn how to use Eco mode, how to start off, drive and brake efficiently. Select Eco mode as your default drive mode for best efficiency. This reduces throttle response and optimizes heating and air conditioning for enhanced economy. Accelerate gently, staying in the lower half of the eco zone, as this reduces the chance of the engine starting. The EV indicator displays when the car is running on electric power alone. Driving in the eco zone in the hybrid system indicator will maximize your fuel efficiency and minimize CO2 emissions. At higher speeds, accelerate quickly to achieve your desired speed. Then release the throttle and return to cruise in the eco zone. Brake smoothly and early to maximize energy regeneration into the battery, which will allow you to drive off an EV later. To increase engine braking on long descents, depending on the model, select B or shift down using the manual gear control. This provides effective engine braking and protects the brakes. Return to D after the descent, as B doesn't regenerate as much. When stopped in traffic, remain in D and use the hold function to free you up from having to press the brake pedal, thus reducing foot fatigue. Do not select N. That's all you need to know about starting, driving, and stopping your Toyota hybrid.